Action words or verbs. Hello friends, welcome to grammar lesson. We are going to learn about action words or verbs. Very simple. The meaning is hidden in the word itself. Yes, right. Action words are words that names any action or that tells us the action done by a noun or pronoun. Aha! So, to identify action words, we need to know our nouns and pronouns well. I have already shared a video for both. Please check it if you haven't done yet. Links are given in the description. Okay, let's get started. You know kids, we do action for everything throughout the day. That means we are surrounded by action words or verbs all the time. Yippee! Let's think of some action that we do every day. In the morning we wake up. Hey, wake up is the action that we do. Wow, it sounds so exciting. We brush, we wash our face, we take bath, we wipe ourselves, we wear clothes, we eat, we drink, we read and write, we talk, we laugh, we run, dance and play. Oh my, the list is endless. Sounds exciting. Here are some sentences about a boy called Bob. Let's see to make the concept of verb more clear. Bob does many things throughout the day. He exercises, he plays tennis, he dances to his favorite music, he reads a lot. Now, here the words exercise, play, dance, read are the words that names the actions done by Bob and therefore are called action words or verbs. So, it's very clear now, an action word tells us what someone or something does. Let's see some examples to make it more clear. Here the first sentence is, the baby is sleeping. What is the baby doing here? Sleeping. Sleeping is the action performed here by the noun that is the baby. Let's see the next sentence. Bob is reading a book. Again my question is, what is Bob doing here? Reading. Reading is the action performed by the noun Bob. The next sentence, children are playing in the park. What are the children doing here? Playing. So the action done by the noun here is playing. The girls are singing. What is the girl doing here? Singing. So what is the action done by the noun here? Singing. So it's an action word. Let's list the action words we saw just now in the sentences. Sleeping, reading, playing, singing. These are the actions performed by a particular noun, or we come to know about an action done by the noun. Now we know verbs are the action we do, or they are also called doing verbs. So remember, words which shows action are called verbs. Let's see how action words are used in a sentence. Sarah laughs. What is the action here? Laughs. Let us underline it. Baby cries. What is the action here? Cries. Tina dances. What is the action in this? Dances. Sia runs. What is the action done here? Runs. Sun shines. Right. The action is shines. Fire burns. What is the action here? Burns. Bird flies. What is the action here shown? Flies. Here, all the underlined words shows us the action that the noun does. I hope it's clear now what are action words or verbs. Yes. Now, let's do one more activity. Let's see how much we all know about verbs. The first sentence, the dogs fight. What is the action done by the dogs? Yes, right, fight. Let's circle it. Cows eat grass. Here, what is the action done by the cows? Eat. Let's circle it. Sia writes a letter. Here, What is the action done by Sia? Yes, perfect. Writes. Let's circle it. Bob reads a book. Here the action done is reads. Let's circle it. Birds chirp. Here the action done by the noun bird is, yes, right, chirps. Circle it. Kids, did you notice the verbs in different sentences? Let's observe it carefully. In the first sentence, noun is plural, that is dogs. That means many dogs are there. And verb is unchanged, that is the verb is as it is. In the second sentence, the noun is plural, cows, and the verb is unchanged. Now let's see the next sentence. Here the noun Sia is singular and the verb is in plural. Next sentence also the noun Bob is singular but the verb used is in plural form. Let's see the last sentence now. Here the noun is plural, that is birds, and the verb or the action word remains unchanged. Guys, that means the verb changes as per the noun. That is, if we are talking about singular noun, then we use plural verb. And when we are talking about plural nouns, the verb remains as it is. Wow, so many things we learned about the action words. But we need to remember some points. Yes, verbs remain unchanged when they are used with plural nouns or pronouns such as they play guitar, we watch cartoons. Here they means many people are there and the verb play is as it is. The next sentence, we means more than one person is there and the verb here watch is as it is. It did not change. Even with I and you, verb remains unchanged. Look at the example to get it clear. You play cricket, I eat a lot. We just saw that with plural nouns and even with the pronoun you and I, verbs remain unchanged. Hey, that's cool. Let us know more about action words. Action words also tells us what animals do. I mean how animals move. Rabbit hops. Horse gallops. Dog runs. Bird flies. Monkey jumps. So here all the movements done by the animals are the actions done by the noun. Hence it's an action word. Even action words tells us how animals make noise. Tiger roars. Elephant trumpets. Dog barks. Cat purrs. Donkey brays. So here all the sounds made by the animals are the actions they are doing. So it's an action word. Let's find out more about verbs. Kids, do you know that the words is, am, are also verbs? They are called helping verbs. We use them to show who we are or what is something. For example, we use am with the pronoun I, such as I am a doctor, I am your friend. We use verb is with the pronouns he, she, it and singular nouns. For example, she is writing a letter. Let's see one more sentence. He is reading. And now let's see the last sentence. The baby is sleeping. We use the verb are with the pronoun you, we, they and with plural nouns. For example, they are playing. We are waiting for the bus. Thus, words is, am, are connect the subject to what is being said about the subject. Wow! I think now you understood the use of is, am, are very well. Let's check it by ourselves. Here is a set of sentences. Read it and fill in the blanks with is, am and are in the proper place. You can send the answers in the comment section. Let's see the first sentence. She dash in the house. The second sentence, the dog and the cat dash in the garden. The third sentence, the boy dash behind the tree. The fourth sentence, it dash black. The last sentence, I dash Kevin. Children, read it carefully and fill in the blanks properly with the word is, am, are. So what have we learned today? We learned that action words tells us what someone or something does. Action words are also called verbs or doing words. And even the words is, am, are verbs and they are called helping words. So that's all for now in this video. Hope you enjoyed learning action words with me. Please hit the like button if you liked the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, write in the comment section. Do share the video so that others can learn. And do subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. Thank you for watching.